Buckle up, because what you're about to see is a textbook example of how confusion, authority, and ego collide on a public street. This case takes us to Ireland, where a citizen lawfully filming from a public place is suddenly told he's committing an offense, without a single law being named. From physical contact, to demands for identification, to wildly incorrect claims about public order powers, this encounter spirals fast. And the most important question you should be asking right now is this: what happens when law enforcement enforces rules that don't actually exist? Because by the end of this video, one side is going to be exposed, and it's not the guy holding the camera.
Front office and told you what I was doing. We didn't seem to have any issues. He's just come up to me, tried to grab me. I understand you got the section 24 power, but that's only if I've contravened any other section of the Public Order Act. Do you mind identifying yourself? And your name?
There's my number.
He was very aggressive, very hostile. There's no need for that. Pick it back up.
What's this in relation anyway, the video?
It's just a video for matters of public interest, as I explained at the counter.
This is where the legal foundation, or lack of it, becomes impossible to ignore. Filming from a public place is not a crime under Irish law. Period. There is no statute that makes recording a Garda, a building, or a vehicle illegal when you're standing on public land. What the officer should be able to do here is clearly articulate the offense. Instead, we get vague assertions, rising frustration, and zero citations. That's a massive red flag. The auditor isn't being obstructive. He's doing exactly what the law allows, asking for clarification. And when clarity can't be provided, authority starts relying on pressure instead of legality. Ask yourself, if this was truly illegal, why can't anyone name the law?
You're aware it's not an offence to film from public? He doesn't want to talk.
How long do you plan on staying here?
So as long as it takes.
What takes?
My film to film. Is there anything else I can help you with? Excuse me.
Sorry.
I'll ask you a question.
What chance?
Watch the shift happen in real time. The moment the auditor starts asking precise legal questions, the interaction stops being a conversation and becomes a control exercise. The officer's tone hardens, the patience disappears, and suddenly, the person who initiated physical contact is accusing the cameraman of hostility. That's not coincidence, that's projection. This is a classic tactic. Redefine calm resistance as aggression. But notice how the auditor responds. He doesn't raise his voice. He doesn't insult. He simply restates facts and asks for lawful authority. This is what de-escalation through knowledge looks like, and it's exactly why documentation matters.
Alright, we'll pick this back up. Morning. Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm just making a video.
Of what?
The Garda station,
For what purpose?
the matters of public interest.
Public interest for what?
The public are interested in videos like this.
And for what though? Like, is that you're recording official? It is. You're not allowed to record official vehicles.
I'm filming from public.
I'm saying to you, you're not allowed to record.
Is there an
official
offence?
Yeah, you're recording Garda vehicle reg numbers coming in and out. Do you know what I mean? There's also codes to the gate there.
It's your job. It's your job to secure it.
Recording for?
Just making a video.
For what though? Public interest for what?
People want to see this. Morning.
What do they want to see?
This section perfectly illustrates how legal language can be weaponized and misused by people who don't fully understand it. We hear references to sections, articles, public order powers, and constitutional rights, but none of it is being applied correctly. Public order legislation doesn't magically grant officers authority just because they're uncomfortable. Section-based directives require an underlying offense, and filming from public simply doesn't qualify. The auditor may stumble slightly in citation wording, but the core point remains solid. Peaceful filming is not unlawful. And when officers argue semantics instead of substance, it's usually because the substance isn't on their side.
Cars
Just want to
coming
see
in and out,
videos like this.
You're recording official vehicles coming in and out of a
I'm
secure
not
area.
filming official vehicles.
Yeah, it is official. It's official marked.
From here.
From where here?
Is it relevant?
I didn't give you permission to record me.
I don't need your permission. I'm filming from public.
You do need
Alright,
your permission to record.
What country are you from?
So it's irrelevant.
No, it is relevant.
Why?
For visa stats.
Do you think that I've entered the country illegally?
Where are you from?
It's not relevant.
It's a question.
Okay, and I've answered the question.
What's your answer?
I don't believe I'm entitled to answer. I don't think it's relevant to
You
what
are
I'm
in a
doing.
public place and you're being asked a question.
Okay. Am I required by law to answer the question?
Yeah, you are.
What law am I obliged?
Sorry?
Which law obligates me to answer?
Oh, where are you from?
Doesn't matter.
Sorry?
Doesn't matter. Do you suspect that I've entered illegally?
Sorry?
Do you suspect that I've entered the country illegally?
Sorry?
Do you suspect?
I can't hear you.
Do you suspect that I've entered the country illegally?
Which country?
Ireland.
Ireland. Are you from Ireland?
Perhaps.
Sorry?
Perhaps.
Well, can I see some identification?
No, I don't have any ID.
When enforcement fails, politeness steps in. Suddenly it's, "Can I help you?" And what's your purpose? Not because they're curious, but because they're searching for leverage. This is a softer form of pressure, but pressure all the same. The goal is compliance without confrontation. But again, the auditor doesn't bite. He understands that lawful activity doesn't require justification. Rights don't depend on satisfying curiosity. And that's an important reminder for everyone watching. If something is legal, you don't need permission, credentials, or an explanation that meets someone else's approval.
Not to.
What country?
Under section 43 of the Irish Constitution, I have the right to assemble here.
Sorry?
Section 43, or Article 43.
No, we have sections. We don't have articles. They have articles in the UK.
Okay, well, the Irish
I think you're
Constitution.
mixing your countries up now.
I'm not mixing my countries up, but I have the right to assembly. Section 6, subsection 1. I have the right to assemble here. I'm just doing some filming. There's nothing more to it than that. I am allowed.
You're not allowed.
I've done my research. I wouldn't be irresponsible.
I mean, you're mixing
I have.
up what country
So
as
what?
well. Your
What?
articles and your sections. You are not allowed.
Excuse
okay?
me. I don't have any press credentials.
No credentials. You're no.
I don't need any credentials. I'm a member of the public, filming from public.
Official Garda vehicle.
It's not an
This
offence
is
to do so.
Yeah, this actually is. This belongs to the station. Do you know what I mean? So you're not actually allowed.
What information could I pull from that registration?
You can. Do you know what I mean? It's not allowed. It's prohibited.
I don't think it is. I've done my research. I wouldn't be irresponsible. I have.
Well. So I'm giving you an order now to leave the area, please.
What's that? Under section 8?
My permission. You do not have my permission to film me.
I don't need anyone's permission.
You do actually.
So you're ordering me under section 8 of the Public Order Act?
You're not allowed record.
Just Public Order Act.
Yeah, so section 8. Have I contravened any other section of the Public Order Act?
Sorry?
Have I contravened any other section of the Public Order Act?
Pay close attention to body language here. The surrounding. The closeness. The repeated insistence of my workplace. This isn't about safety. It's about dominance. Standing inches from someone, refusing to create space, and dismissing expressed discomfort are intimidation tactics, whether intentional or not. And the irony? The auditor is the only one consistently asking for calm, distance, and respect. This moment exposes a crucial truth. Authority doesn't automatically equal professionalism. And when intimidation replaces law, cameras become accountability tools, not threats.
You're saying you won't even give your details, you know, and then you're filming.
Can you not surround me, please?
No,
Can you not surround me, please? I'm feeling very intimidated.
Sorry?
Can you not surround me?
but you're in my workplace.
But I'm filming from public.
No, you're in my workplace.
Okay, but there's no need
If you
to
want,
stand so
back.
close.
Stand back. But you're in my workplace.
So this is an intimidation tactic.
No, it's not. You're in my workplace.
Why are you standing so close? Is there
I'm
not
in my
COVID?
workplace.
Should we not have 2 meters distance?
You should, yeah.
Well, you're coming up to me.
No, this is my workplace.
Okay, I understand that. I'm not
Yeah, you're in his
I'm not
work.
causing
my
a problem.
workplace.
I'm not causing an issue. Can you not stand so close? Look how close this guy's standing.
You're my workplace.
Alright. Can you have a word with, like, I don't feel like there's any need for this. Like, I've communicated, I've explained what I'm
You
doing.
haven't explained. You said public interest.
With all
You
due
haven't
respect,
given
I don't need
any
to I don't-
explanation whatsoever.
Excuse me? I'm just making a video.
For what?
People are interested in seeing these
In what?
videos.
Seeing what? The patrol cars driving in.
No, they want to see. They want to see how the authorities react to people filming from public, and they want to see the authorities respect their rights.
You can't even give a genuine reason, an explanation why you're recording.
I don't need to have a reason
But
or an explanation.
you're filming us, and you have absolutely no explanation for what.
I do have an explanation.
You don't have an explanation.
I do.
You don't.
Rest
I
assured.
told you I don't want to be on footage.
Well, you're
I have a
welcome.
right
You're welcome
do that.
to.
You're in our workplace.
I'm not in your workplace.
You are. This is
I'm
our
in a
workplace.
public place.
No, it's not. This is our workplace.
So this isn't a public
This
place.
is our workplace. All this is. This is part.
I'm aware, but it can be filmed from public.
No, it can't. Really? I said to you, you can't even give a proper explanation. as
There
to
is an
recording.
there is a proper
For what?
explanation.
You're not.
Matters of public interest. The
Of
public
what?
are interested to see how their tax money is being spent. Interactions between the public and the authorities.
You can't even tell us where you're from, so we don't even know.
I
if
don't
you're a
need to. I
taxpayer.
don't need to tell you.
So why are you saying you're doing it on behalf of the taxpayers when you can't prove you're a taxpayer?
I don't need to prove I'm a taxpayer. What about
You're a
other
hypocrite.
taxpayers?
You're a hypocrite.
Okay, let's reserve our opinions. Like, you're in
But
uniform, you're at
you
work.
prove it and not have a discussion with you, but at the moment you're just a hypocrite.
Okay, I'll be a hypocrite.
In the end, this case isn't about filming, it's about accountability. No charges, no lawful directive, no clear offense. Just escalating pressure when authority was questioned. The auditor stayed calm, asserted his rights, and documented every step. And that's why this footage matters. It shows how easily misinformation can turn into intimidation, and how knowledge can stop it cold.